If you are looking for the latest Coursera special offer, this walkthrough will show you exactly how the current Coursera Plus discount works and how you can claim it before it expires. You can find the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description below this video. Right now, eligible new subscribers can get Coursera Plus for $14.40 per month instead of the regular $24 monthly price for the first 3 months. So here's a quick walkthrough of how to get the deal. First, open the Coursera Plus discount link in the description. Once the page loads, you should immediately see the promotional pricing displayed on the official Coursera website. Next, click on the option to subscribe to Coursera Plus. After that, either sign into your existing account or create a new Coursera account if you are a first-time user. Then continue to check out and enter your payment information. If you are eligible for the promotion and the offer is available in your country, the discount should automatically apply before you complete payment. That is it. Once your subscription is active, you unlock access to more than 10,000 courses, guided projects, professional certificates, and specializations from leading companies and universities like Google, IBM, Johns Hopkins University, and University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. This is one of the biggest reasons Coursera Plus has become so popular in 2026. Instead of paying separately for each certificate program, one subscription gives you access to multiple learning paths across AI, cybersecurity, project management, Python, data analytics, business, and digital marketing. For example, many learners start with the Google Career Certificates and then continue into AI or advanced technology courses afterward using the same subscription. Another major benefit is flexibility. You can switch between courses anytime, explore different skills, and learn at your own pace from desktop or mobile devices. According to Coursera, many learners reported positive career outcomes after learning on the platform, including improved knowledge, workplace performance, and job opportunities. Now, here is the important thing to know. This current Coursera special offer is time-limited. Based on the official promotion details, the discounted pricing is expected to end on May 31st, 2026. So, if you were already thinking about upgrading your skills this year, especially in AI or technology, this could be one of the best opportunities to start while the discount is still active. Check the Coursera Plus discount link in the description to see the latest pricing and availability before the promotion expires.